My name is Adam and I'm a field executive with MAC Cosmetics based out of Tampa, Florida. And right now, I'm gonna walk you through my must-have products for this combination skin. So I'm gonna feature 3 products and I wanna start by showing you Fix Plus. Now, Fix Plus has a few sisters, cousins, and brothers. This product is a must-have for me because it contains glycerin. So glycerin's a humectant, it's gonna hydrate the skin. I need that hydration because combination skin, I've got my balance of a little bit of shine going on. I get really dry around the corners of my nose, thank you retinol. And I need something that's gonna be lightweight, that's gonna calm my skin and give me some hydration right from the jump. Now this product is really a multitasker. I'm gonna give myself just a few spritzes, let that settle on the skin. This product also contains caffeine, which calms, that's an anti-irritant, and cucumber extract, which is also very soothing to the complexion. And you'll see me reintroduce this guy at the end. So this is must-have number 1, that's Fix Plus. Now, once that's on my skin, that's gonna dry down pretty quickly. I'm gonna introduce you to my next product, and that product is Mineralized Charged Water Moisture Gel. This product is fantastic for a few reasons. With combination skin, I don't like anything that feels too heavy or that leaves too much texture on my skin. You know, that sticky feeling that's like not super comfortable. I don't want that, right? This product feels like, you can sort of see it here, it's like a gel cream, right? So I'm gonna pick this up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start right in the middle of my face, and I'm just gonna apply this product kind of slowly and let this sort of melt in and absorb on my skin. This product will hydrate those areas that I talked about with dryness around the sides of my nose, but they're not gonna leave any really intense texture on my skin. I think you guys can sort of see, I'm also starting to get a little bit of a glow. This product also improves the overall radiance of the complexion, which I'm all for, I just don't wanna look oily, right? Take a little bit extra and I kind of run it along my orbital, that eye bone, and I'll even take a little bit onto the kind of corners of my eyes and my lids, all right? So that's my moisture gel. A little extra, take it on your hands too, all right? So the third and final product here in my skincare prep for combo skin is essentially, this is like your powder in a bottle. That guy is called Skin Refined Zone. So this is an oil-free product. It sort of is like an emulsion, right? A very lightweight fluid product. I'm gonna put a little on my hand so you can see that product there, all right? You've got that little dollop. And I use probably about that much. It's about the size of a chocolate chip. So what do I use this product for? Well, I said earlier that this is like a liquid version of powder, right? Which sounds kind of nuts. But I like to take this product and visible pores, goodbye, I've got them, right? I'm sure I'm the only one, right? I like to use this product on my T-zone, right? So what it's gonna do is mask visible pores, and that texture, that natural matte finish this product dries down to, is going to control oil on my skin. So I may be taking just a little bit more on my hand here, and I'm gonna take the last little bit of this product and I'm gonna kind of bring it through my hot spots, right? That's my T-zone, right? Forehead, nose, maybe chin. For me, my chin's not so oily, so I don't need to worry about that problem. And I'll give you a little secret. I get a little oily on the tops of my cheeks here, so I like to take a little bit more of the product and just kind of work it around the side of the nose and the top of the cheek. All right, so we're at step 3, and that's really it for my skincare prep for combination skin. But just to give me one more boost of hydration, I wanna hit my skin with just a little bit more of that Fix Plus. Super refreshing, and quickly recap you on my must-haves. So first and last, grab a Fix Plus from MAC. Your second product is Mineralize Charged Water Moisture Gel. 77 minerals in this product, gel-like texture, super quick absorbing, really suitable for all skin types. And I should have mentioned, also non-acnogenic. So if you deal with some acne, I've got a little scarring myself, this product will be great for you. And then finally, my liquid powder in a bottle, right? This is Skin Refined Zone. This product is gonna mask visible pores, and it will control oil in your hot spots on your skin. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy your products. Bye-bye.